What up mga solid subscribers, no? So meron dito guys, no, parang ano siya, media conference. Hindi siya parang media conference. Media conference pala talaga siya guys na. So panaron na very big shout out kay Miss Ono. Tingnan natin to na SB19 answers questions in Singapore media conference. At tingnan guys kung ano mga bibigay nating comments about this one guys. Okay, or mga ideas or ideas to it. Basta ating
Hi everyone,
reflection about this one.
good afternoon. I'm Stella. Just like what the other members said earlier, we're very
SB19 answers questions in Singapore Media Conference. Before their Simula at Wakas World Tour concert in Singapore, our boys faces the Singapore media to introduce themselves and answer some questions.
Okay. I think a few minutes to greet them.
okay. Hello everyone, we're SB19 Good afternoon. Thank you so much. We're really honored to be here for the second time around. This is our second time, and we feel much more love second time around. This time we're also collaborating with different groups. We come from Indonesia and Benjamin Gang, so I hope you support our team, our SB19, and in the coming years we hope to, be here again and expect more support from you. Thank you guys for supporting.
I'm sure they would like to hear everyone, each and every one. Yeah, I'm sure of that. So please, guys.
Yes, hello everyone. Again, I'm Justin, and it was really nice to meet you all. And the last time we went here, I don't remember having a media con, so it's really nice to have to meet medias and to introduce ourselves more to other Singaporean people, and yeah, to meet our 18. So we're very excited. Thank you so much for coming.
Let's go 18. 18 Singapore.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Josh. I'm really super excited to meet everyone here and of course answer your questions and well, just basically talk to you guys. And yeah, we're so excited for the concert as well, and we'd love to try chili crab. There you go.
Oh, let's go.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Stella. Just like what the other members said earlier, we're very happy to be here, excited to meet everyone again, and of course, looking forward to for the show. Of course, we're very excited to meet our kababayans again for the second time here in Singapore, and yeah, I hope we have more free time to visit our favorite places here in Singapore if given a chance. But yeah, again, thank you so much for coming here today, and it's a great time. Thank you.
And of course, Ken.
Hello everyone. I just want to thank you guys so much for coming all the way here. And let's have a good time.
Let's go.
Thank you, SB19.
Pause ko lang guys, bago nang tuloy. Isa sa mga comment ko sa SB19 guys is napaka-fluent nila mag-English guys, as in. Ako guys, no, marunong ako mag-English, pero hindi ako fluent, as in, hindi ako confident enough. Yun yung pinapractice ko ngayon guys, no, since gumagawa ka ng mga reaction videos, no. Gusto kong aralin kung paano maging fluent mag-speak or magsalita ng English guys, as in, ng tuloy-tuloy, no. Kaya ko mag-English guys, pero alam mo yun, hindi siya yun to the point na perfect talaga. As in, yun, no, nauubusan ka rin ng sasabihin, no. Gusto kong dumating sa point na yun, no. Kasi syempre nag-reaction video tayo. Meron tayong mga international artist na nirepresent din ng ating bansa, 'di ba? Yung mga gano'n. So, ayun lang guys, nakakatuwa lang, 'di ba? SB19 sobrang fluent, no, and ayun lang. Nakakatuwa, 'di ba? Kasi ibang mga grupo, hindi sila gano'n ka-fluent, no, kailangan pa nila ng mga translator, may mga ganyang grupo, or hindi lang grupo guys, kahit mga ano, mga talented individuals, mga popular celebrities talaga na, um, pumupunta sa ibang bansa, no. So, may mga translator pa talaga sila.
Oh, by the way, you were not here yet. I'd like to introduce myself. I am Miss Nancy from Noble Life International, one of the producers. So I am very pleased to meet all of you in person, up close and personal. Maraming salamat. Ang gagawin niyo, I'm controlling myself. This is a media conference, okay? And congratulations, my favorite song is Mapa.
Yes,
Yes, let's
Mapa.
congratulate SB19. Pero alam niyo, just to share back in the Philippines, lahat po ng graduation sa Pilipinas, ang theme song ay Mapa. Palakpakan naman po natin ang SB19. We all tried. Grabe, emote na emote ang ating mga OFWs dito sa Singapore because of that song, guys. You are really full of values. Ang lalim, ang substance ng mga songs niyo, iba talaga kayo. Mahalima. Mahalimaw talaga kayo sa galing. Ibang klase. Anyway, let's roll it. Let's roll
Ang galing bumanat nito, ah.
Starting with C and A. Janine?
Hi, I'm Vic from CNE. Nice to meet you. Okay, so my question is, since you guys debuted until now, how would you say you've grown as individuals and as musicians?
Well, in terms of individuality and as individuals, it's gonna be. I think our mindset has really become mature, and the chemistry as well. It affects the chemistry as a group. So from before, we've been thinking about our dreams, but nowadays I feel like we're looking at the bigger picture, not just for SB19, but for the entire music industry of Southeast Asia and the Philippines. And I think that's pretty much it. That we've been looking or zooming out a lot for these kinds of stuff, and I think and we've grown in a way that we didn't expect as well because of the challenges that we've had, and those challenges really made us who we are right now. And I think we're gonna be achieving a lot more together.
So there's one more question from Jenny. Okay, now let's move on to Miss Joyce Lynn.
Hindi pa rin nawawala sa kanila guys talaga yung yung siyempre yung world domination, hindi nawawala yun guys kahit anong mangyari, no. Yung iba guys, sabihin ko sa inyo, no, iba pag na-reach na nila yung pinaka-peak ng success nila na kunyari, yun nakapag-perform na tayo sa ibang bansa, okay na. I think magpahinga na tayo. Ay, yun, nakapag number 1 na tayo, nakalaban natin itong grupo na to, itong performer na to or artist na to, no. Okay na, sige na-achieve na. Pero SB19 hindi eh. Talagang eto pa, hindi pa yan. Hindi sila nakokontento, no? Which is that's a very good attitude, a very great attitude ng isang performer or ng kahit sino guys, kahit sino individual guys, no? Na talagang hindi sila nakokontento. Kasi once makontento ka na guys, doon na mag-stop yung pag-grow mo.
My name is Joyce. I'm from DLM Ventures. So as role models to millions of young people who are your fans, how do you hope your journey can empower the next generation to dream big, just like yourself, and pursue their passions with confidence?
Well, I think it's related to what we've answered earlier. Since we're looking at the bigger picture, we believe that like music and the arts and culture are like it affects the entire. Well, you give inspiration to other people, you educate other people, and you really spread positivity. And as how I said it before, we believe that we are like, well, not assuming, but artists are like the future heroes of the world. So when you try to really spread these types of music and even the culture and even your beliefs, or just touch the hearts of the people, you really can have these people be inspired and dream like you. Maybe in one arena, you can inspire one people, it can change the lives of the others as well. And there will be others like who will be future SB19 or maybe bigger than us. And I think, yeah, that's how we will inspire people.
Thank you, Josh.
Thank you.
Okay guys. Yun na siya guys, no. For me kasi guys, ang SB19, lahat ng kanta nila, tulad ng sinabi Josh, gusto talaga nila makapag-inspire ng tao, guys, makapag-motivate, no? Kasi lahat ng kanta ng SB19, guys, no? May mga pulot ka na aral, merong kwento, hindi pwedeng makarelate ka, no? So, napakarami nilang kanta, guys, iba-iba na halos, merong pang love song, merong pang motivate ng tao, meron pang family, meron pang sa mga crab mentality, tapos meron yung regarding sa bansa natin guys, di ba? Ayun. Pilipinas, dinan. Ay, mga ganun guys sila. May mga medyo patama na gano'n. I mean, pahaging na gano'n na. Ano ba bang mga kanta na hindi nagagawa ng SB19, no? Meron, wala. Pero kasi guys, yun talaga eh. Relatable talaga, no? Kahit saan mo ilagay na lugar, guys, ang kanta ng SB19, makaka-relate ka talaga, no? So, ayun yung for me, kaya sobrang minahal na tao ang SB19 kasi nakaka-relate sila. Hindi sila gumagawa ng kanta na, alam mo yung kwentong love song na naman yan. Hindi, alam mo yun, talagang iba-iba eh. Diba? Solid na SB19. So, doon sila minahal, no? Ang SB19, no? Kasi, hindi ko sinasayang madaling gumawa ng kanta, no? Pero for me, mas madaling hindi ko sinasabing madaling kumanta ulit guys, gumawa ng kanta, hindi ko sinasabi guys, Pero for me kasi guys, mas madaling gumawa ng kanta 'pag alam mong laging tungkol sa pag-ibig, pero 'pag yung patungkol sa pagmo-motivate, patungkol sa true to life story talaga, relatable yung mga tao talaga like sa gobyerno, sa family, 'di ba? Ang hirap gumawa nun 'no, kaya kasi kailangan mo siyang palawakin, kailangan maka-relate ang mga tao 'no. Kasi tayo guys, normal na nagmamahal tayo 'no, normal na nagmamahal tayo 'no. Pero yung ganong klaseng bagay guys na tungkol sa family, tungkol sa political, tungkol sa bansa, parang ayun yung mga bagay na hindi natin usually talaga na nakakasanayan araw-araw 'no. Kaya alam mo yun, ta's biglang 'pag napakinggan mo kanta ng SB19, oo nga 'no, may ganito pala dapat akong gawin, oo nga 'no, kaya meron pala akong gan'tong klaseng nangyari sa akin 'no, 'di ba? So, gano'n ang SB19 'no, kaya nakaka-relate ang mga tao 'no. So, yun yung pinaka-strength nila para sa akin 'no. So, yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa lahat sa panonood ng video 'no. So, this is Boy The Bed signing out. Peace, that's it.